First location. It's gonna be this one. Gumballs, hot tamales, peanut M&Ms. I just finished adjusting how much dispenses, so I'm gonna fill it up and then we're gonna take it to our first location. Let's see real quick. Just testing real quick. Couple of things. Very first one. I'm gonna count. Let's adjust. That's not. Six every time, so it looks like we're good. Good on gumballs, good on hot tamales. So, just gotta move this to the car and drop it off. Alright, one good. Decent amount of gumballs and one whole bag of hot tamales. So, now let's take it to the door. Alright, so it's really dark outside. It is 8:57, 9 p.m. and I found my very first location. I know it's a very weird time, but I didn't have to call or do anything for this location. I set the gumball machine here in the Hellcat, but yeah, my mom, we're really good friends with these people that own a bar here in town, and they wanted a triple head machine, so first location is gonna be at a bar, so let's hope it does really good. I think it will. But yeah, let's go drop it off. So, we have everything. That sounds nice. Got the Hail Kitty. Let's put the steering wheel heater on. And the seat warmers on. And let's go drop off this candy machine, this three-headed gumball machine. Oh, you probably can't even see me. Okay. So, got our location. Like I said, it's at a pub, bar, place. It's people that we know. And I haven't really gone out and asked anybody yet, but yeah, we already got our first location, so hopefully it's a good one. I know that there's always people there. It's a bar, so hopefully it's gonna be a really good one. Got the triple head in the back, probably too dark to see because it is 9:05 p.m. and yeah, I'm really excited. This is the start of the vending machine business, or my bulk candy business. business that I want to grow. So yeah, machine number 1 down, and hopefully we can get many more. So yeah, probably won't record dropping it off and stuff because it is way too dark and it's 9 o'clock, so there's probably going to be some people there. It is a Monday, so not that much people are going to be there, and they're just getting prepared for New Year's, which is tomorrow, because right now is the 30th of December. So yeah, finally we got our first location. Actually, I don't know why I said finally, but I'm excited that we got our first location, so now we can start making something, and hopefully it makes good. So yeah, just time to look for more locations to put the rest of the machines, and we'll be good. So let's go.
Chance that she done gave you around Whitney died. I just came from the A. I drove back home, 6-hour drive, 6.5.
Alright, made it to the place. Machine in the back. Gonna go drop it off. And yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more, because there's gonna be a lot more coming. And yeah, I'll probably take a picture of it inside and I'll put that in the video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.